The movie Teen Pati talks about Trachtenberg, who was a magician initially, but he took to mathematical equations and he became a mathematician. And he met an equally genius mathematician called Venkat, and they both started working together. And he also chalked out the plan, and he taught the theory of probability to students, and he was a renowned teacher, Venkat, but he was kind of workaholic. There's a scene where he is so engrossed in his work that he is not paying attention to the cleanliness of the room. And when Meeta Vashisht, she is a helper, she comes with one Indian delicacy, poha, and he just throws the casserole out of the room, and he says that I don't need anybody to clean my room. This is just the way to show his, you can say, insanity, because cleanliness is to godliness. But he was kind of genius, maybe mad genius, you can say. And then they started a game of cards where he employed students. Even Madhavan was there, and they started a game in a nightclub where they amassed, they wanted to actually carry out this experiment so that they can also get some wealth. And it was a tricky scenario. It was planned in such a way to bring out the ugliness of the situation, because there was some bribery also going on. Someone was blackmailing and someone was giving bribes. So they wanted to just find out who the culprit was. So even Shraddha Kapoor had dressed like a prostitute in order to nab the criminal. So that was a good part. And this is the only movie where Shakti Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor, father and daughter, are in sync. I mean, they are in the same movie. Although they are in the movie, they are totally apart, the scene, because he is a medical patient, heart patient basically, and he says that the amount of medicines which I am which I am consuming, it seems that my body has become a dispensary. And then there's a young boy who has been blamed for theft. He has been seen as a kleptomaniac. Maybe he took to this because of some reason, and he hanged himself. And there was a state of despondency all over. Everyone was bereaved, and everyone actually felt very bad about it. Even Ajay Devgan has made his presence, but in a short while. So the movie is very interesting, extremely enthralling, and it will keep the audience glued to the screen, and it's very impactful, and it's it will show the real geniuses and astute thinking. So must watch, 5 stars.